In this update video, I need to show you what the XRP whales are doing right now behind the scenes, because guys, I found some very interesting statistics and metrics that are telling us something about what happened and what is most likely about to happen for the XRP price and for crypto in general. So if you're an XRP holder, don't forget to smash up the like button and let's get straight into it. The first metric that I want to show you here is something that I posted yesterday. XRP whales just dumped 2.2 billion XRP in a single month. This is the biggest sell-off since March 2023. And if you focus on this yellow line, basically since the beginning of this month, you can see that it has been going down. So people holding between 1 million to 10 million XRP coins, so whales, they dumped significant amounts of XRP in the past month, and that is also one of the reasons of why we saw a significant decline in XRP's price. However, there is of course also good news, and I want to show you in this video what I'm right now expecting. So let's first of all talk about this important metric. XRP's on-chain sentiment has dropped into fear territory. The net unrealized profit and loss ratio dropped to 0.25 for the first time in months, and you can see that over here, guys. If you focus on this colored line, which represents the net unrealized profit and loss ratio, then you can see that for this entire year we have been in this belief zone, and right now we are finally seeing anxiety kicking in there in XRP holders, which is actually a very good thing, because this shows us that sentiment is resetting, and typically from a very bearish sentiment we tend to see the most explosive rallies. I mean, look at this, guys. At the end of November last year we were even lower in the fear zone, and from that exact moment we saw a significant pump in the XRP price from 50 cents to above $3, and right now we came into fear once again. So I see this all as a very lucrative buying opportunity, basically. Of course, not financial advice, and you need to have a vision for at least a few more months, but this could be a very interesting buy zone right now in my personal opinion. Then there's also this one. XRP supply on exchanges has collapsed 45% in just 60 days. Mega bullish, and you can see that over here. This blue line represents the XRP balance on exchanges, the total balance on all exchanges, and it has dropped significantly, very aggressively here in the past 60 days, as you can see. And this shows me that smart money institutions, they are heavily buying, scooping up XRP here behind the scenes, and they're taking it off from exchanges. So yeah, guys, this is a very bullish metric, and here you can also see it. XRP balance on Binance just dropped to a 12-month low of 2.71 billion XRP. This is the lowest amount that we have seen in 1 year on Binance in terms of the supply of XRP. Very bullish, and personally I also think that it has something to do with the ETFs, because you can see that XRP ETF inflows have now increased 9 out of the last 10 sessions. Institutions are accumulating in a very hard pace. So yeah, XRP is definitely in demand with these institutions, and yeah, if this trend continues, then I do believe that we are about to see a massive trend reversal in the price of XRP. Furthermore, if we look at XRP's liquidation heat map here on the 3-month time frame, then it is still a very clear picture. The majority of the liquidity is still stacked up above XRP's current price, so between $3 and $4, and price eventually always goes after the highest liquidity. I can't tell you when that's going to happen, but sooner rather than later we can expect a short squeeze, because on the 10th of October we also had a lot of liquidity below us. Then price took that liquidity very aggressively. So let's see how this is going to play out for XRP. If we look at XRP on its daily time frame, then we can see a strong bounce that is right now happening here on the line chart from off this green support box. We had multiple touch points in the past months here, also here in June 2025, then also here in April 2025, as well as in March 2025 and December 2024. So for now, XRP is still holding this very important support box. So for me, there's absolutely no reason to flip bearish now. I can't call this a bear market since we're still holding crucial support. And also, as you do know, we have that bullish divergence on XRP's daily time frame, which is right now confirmed, where the RSI is making higher lows, price is making lower lows. The last time that we saw this was literally at the bear market bottom of June 2022 for XRP. So pay very close attention, guys, to this bullish divergence. This could signal to us that a trend reversal is getting very close here for XRP. And guys, if you're looking for an exchange to use, then go down below in today's video description and go to Phemex, AscendEX or BLOFIN. If you use my links down below, then you will be eligible for huge welcome bonuses on each of these exchanges. And additionally, you will also benefit from the cheapest trading fees in the industry, but only with my links down below. And if you want to learn everything about technical analysis, if you want to get better in spotting buying opportunities, then click this first link here, because I put out a new technical analysis course which is called Chart Like a Pro, and it will take you to this page. There is right now, for the last day, a very huge discount going on for Black Friday, so check it out, guys. This course is definitely worth it. I put a lot of effort into this, and it teaches you everything about technical analysis that you need to know. There's even a trading view tutorial, so check it out, guys. First link down below. And let me now continue with the video. So the next thing that I want to show you here in the immediate short term is that XRP actually looks bullish here on the 4-hourly time frame, because previously this zone around $2.16 provided support there for XRP. Eventually we broke below it, but right now we actually reclaimed this important zone, and we also broke back above the 4-hourly EMA ribbon. So provided that XRP holds above $2.16, there is a pretty decent chance that we could see continuation here of this rally on the 4-hourly time frame anytime soon. So pay attention to this. And for those of you interested in QNT or Quant also looks interesting and is showing a lot of strength right now, because it broke back above its daily EMA ribbons, and the last 2 times that this happened, a huge rally followed for Quant. So yeah, if you're interested in QNT, check it out, guys, because this chart looks very bullish to me. This was it for today's XRP update video. If the video was helpful, don't forget to like the video. Follow me over on Instagram, since I'm posting a lot of additional content. I want to thank you for watching, for the support. See you very soon with another one. Bye bye.